At STEM Academy, we're nurturing tomorrow's innovators. A cornerstone of that is project-based learning. A way to learn by defining, preparing, trying, and reflecting, and then iterating through that process. We had the opportunity to sit down with a few of our teachers to help explain further.
Hi, my name is Seth Hutner. I am the high school science teacher and also one of the high school PBL teachers, project-based learning teachers at STEM Academy.
Hi, I am Stephanie Cochran. I am the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade middle school English teacher here at STEM Academy.
What exactly is project-based learning?
Project-based learning is a lot of self-guided learning for the students. However, the teachers kind of give them like the parameter of, hey, this is where we're going, where we're not going, to keep them on track. But it gives the kids the freedom to do longer projects and to as you get into the 11th and 12th graders to be able to do something that they're passionate about.
It's the problem-solving process. So we take a problem that we have and we try to ask questions to figure out what is the most efficient way to solve this problem.
How does project-based learning benefit students at STEM Academy?
I think it allows students to be more engaged in their learning. They get a lot more voice and choice and control over their learning and what they want to learn.
Gives the kids more freedom and more learning on their own through different trials and errors.
If your student would benefit from student-driven exploration that allows them to create unique and impactful solutions, come see how we do things differently at STEM Academy. Enrollment is now open for the 2026-2027 school year. Visit the link in the description to secure your spot. Enroll now to help your student build the independence and high-level learning skills to become part of the next generation of innovators and turn their ideas into action.